Okay, there we go. So I was in a false set on 2. Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What I have for you today is a 94mm true lock. There's a couple interesting features about this lock here. One, it's extremely heavy. It's 94mm, so that's quite large. It's a big chunk of steel. It has a shrouded shackle and a double locking mechanism. So there's a dog coming in to secure the shackle on this side, and there's a dog coming in on this side. So it is a dimple lock, and additionally there's a anti-drilling feature here. So this here will spin around, keeping it so you can't drill out the core. It's a 6-pin dimple lock, and the literature that I found online says they expect anti-pick pins in here. I don't know if they're spools or what type of anti-pick pins, but I'm expecting that. Let's see how it goes. So let me get this set up in a vise. Okay, let's get set up here. I'm going to put clockwise rotation and then pick counterclockwise. With this right here indicates where my flag on my dimple pick is. Fairly big open keyway. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. I got to click off a 6. So 6 is either set or it's a false set. Okay, good on 4. That big open keyway gave me some false confidence. I thought this would be, since there's such room for activities there. So I'm in a false set somewhere. Okay, I thought it was 2 that is on a false set. I may have just overset it though. Okay, there we go. So I was in a false set on 2, and I just wasn't picking it up because there was no counter rotation. There we go. Yeah. So I was in a false set on 2. There was no movement in the plug, and so I thought it was set, but it was actually a false set. All right. So there you go. Boom. Look at that. That's a lot of space in there. Okay. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you got something out of that video, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much.